Hello YouTube friends, this is tutorial of HTML5 and CSS3. We are going to make and learn navigation bar on HTML5, adding gradient colors, background to the nav, hover over on the background when we click or hover to the buttons, and then the radius. Okay, and then we also learn some WebKit background to the different browsers. So let's go start. So here I have doc type HTML5 and then HTML English US. Okay, so I give the title of nav tutorial, and we will use nav attributes to the box, and on ordered list, inside ordered list we will add list items and add the anchor tags on list. So we will give home and copy this list, and then make 4 more. So according to this nav, we have electronics, grocery, delivery, contact us, and home. So let's change here electronics, so same nav we will be making drop down list, drop down navigation menu on the next tutorial. Second is service, and then third one is delivery, fourth one is delivery. And the last one, contact us. Okay, we will give navigation as a box ID, box, and on order list as a list. Save this one to the tutorial folder, which I have the image of wood to the background. So this one is nav.html, file format HTML. Okay, save it. So let's open tutorial. Here already. So we have this image, so this list of nav here, and then the previous one we have like this here. So let's go and open Sublime Text and create new. So this one for our CSS, which will be nav.css, and we will save in CSS format. So first of all, we will clear the margin around here and padding. So margin 0 pixel, and then padding will be 0 pixel, let's save it and refresh. So we have not linked the CSS to the HTML. Link nav.css. Save this one and save this one also. Refresh. Now we don't have margin and padding in the list. Now let's pick up the body. And then width of 100%, which will let all the devices so we can use all devices as normal. That means responsive to the all the browsers and the devices. Okay, and also we will be adding background to the page. So background will be our image in the folder, which is jpg, and type URL and type the wood.jpg, save and browsing the page. Okay, so background here and the text list on the blue text. So let's go and select our box on the HTML. ID box. So in the box we will give the margin 100. Yeah, we have to bring this side on the page, so we will give margin 100 pixels. That means all of the side. Save. Let's go back and press. Okay, so bring down to the page and let's go select what we have more list. Okay, list and yes, list. Now we don't want the bullets here, so let's remove bullets on the page. List, sorry, list style is none. Save it and then done. So now let's go and select list item and li, list and li. So the main coding starts now. Let's make the list float to the left, so we'll be in the same line. Float left, okay, so it's in same line. We have to give width and height of this list. width of 105 pixels, better 15 pixel, and height will be 40 pixel. Now if you don't give background, it will not show up in here, so let's give the background to this and looks nice. So for background I have the gradient color to the background, copy and paste it. Let's save this one here and go back to refresh. Okay, and now here I have to mention that if these four fives, if I delete this one from here, it will only work on the Firefox. Okay, Mozilla Firefox, which is MOG, and we can see up here also FF Firefox. F means fire and F means fox, 3.6 above 3.6. so now others, we have WebKit gradient, which is the Google Chrome plus Safari above 4, and then we have Opera, which is O, Opera 11.10 and above. Likewise, we have Microsoft, which is Internet Explorer above Internet Explorer above 10. So likewise, we can also check by doing like this. I remove some of this from here and then save this one file, save it, and let's go to open in this one on Google Chrome. Okay, so there is no background layout, but if in case we use Firefox, in the Firefox it works properly. So here is the case, we use Mozilla Firefox background gradient color. Okay, so let's replace the same, and if we do same thing to the WebKit others browsers, it works the same. If we use Internet Explorer background colors, and it will work on the Internet Explorer, sorry, and then Opera, same thing happens. Okay, Opera and Internet Explorers, all the background should be mentioned there. So let's set this one